Hello friends, in our today's lecture we are going to see how to find the order of an element, any element, it's not an, any, of any element in Z modulo Pz cross Z modulo Pz. First of all we'll see how the elements of Z modulo Pz will be. For that, Z consists of elements from 0, 1, 2, it goes on. That is, for Z modulo Pz, I am going to divide each and every number by P and I am going to write the remainder. If I divide, if I take a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I divide all these by 4, all these elements by 4, I'll get the remainder 0, 1, 2, 3, that's it. I can also take, it goes on, right? Because I'm going to divide Z by 4Z. If I divide 4 by 4, I get the remainder 0. If I divide 5 by 4, I get the remainder 1. 6 by 4, the remainder is 2. It repeats after this. So I'm just going to stop 0, 1, 2 and 3. That is 4 here, there's 3 here. That is Z modulo 4Z equal to 0 to 4 minus 1. Similarly here 0, 1, 2 to P minus 1. Where here it is Z modulo Pz. Now let me take an element from this. I'll take an element 0 and 0, 0 comma 0, A in Z modulo 3Z. I'll take it cross Z modulo 3Z and A to be 0 comma 0. I'm going to find the order of 0 comma 0 here. Order of 0 comma 0 is LCM of order of 0 and order of 0. This 0 belongs to the first one, Z modulo 3Z, and this 0 belongs to second one, belongs to Z modulo 3Z. First I am going to find the order of 0 in Z modulo 3Z, that is 0 into A, or you can write B, C, in whatever you want, is equal to 0 mod 3. That is, I am going to multiply 0 with any number such that I am going to divide the multiplied answer by 3 and I am going to get the remainder as 0. So 0 A, I can write A to be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever I want, because anything into 0 is 0 and I divide by 3. I divide this 0 by 3, I get the remainder to be 0. But I'll take the smallest one, A to be 1. So the order of 0 in Z modulo 3Z is equal to 1. Similarly, the order of 0 in Z modulo 3Z is 1. So the order of 0 comma 0 in Z modulo 3Z cross Z modulo 3Z is equal to LCM of 1 comma 1. Now we'll see how to find the order of 2 comma 0. Order of 2 comma 0 is LCM of order of 2 and order of 0. So LCM of order of 2 and order of 0. I am going to find the order of 2 in Z modulo 3Z. Is 2 into A is equal to 0 mod 3. So 2 into A. 2 into 1 is 2. If I divide 2 by 3, I am not going to get the remainder 0. So A is not equal to 1. If A is equal to 2, 2 into 4, I divide by 3, I get the remainder 1. It is not 0. So A is not equal to 2. If I put 2 to be in A to be 3, 2 into 3 is 6. I divide this 6 by 3 and I get the remainder 0. So A is equal to 3. So the order of 2 is equal to 3 and order of 0 in Z modulo 3Z we have already calculated, it is 1. So LCM of 3, 1 is 3. So the order of 2, 0 is 3.